Salutations all, and thanks for coming back to check out the channel and see what I'm up to with my new chairs. This is a prequel follow-up video to my previous chair videos relating to what I've been using since I returned my Secretlab chair. I returned all my previous chairs just out of dissatisfaction with the quality of build. This chair happens to be an older Serta chair. To be honest with you, the name is a little long-winded. They call it the Smart Layers Jennings Big and Tall High Back Executive Leather Chair. And you might even throw the word office in there somewhere. This particular version has been modified. It is a chair that I picked up in 2018. And one of the reasons I cycled it out of my chair equation was because the recline function was no longer lockable. And it was quite loud and creaky, which didn't quite bother me, but I must say it was noticeable. I don't think you can hear it now. Really not too bad reclining, but this is the feature I cannot lock. Quite frustrating. This particular chair comes with adjustable armrests that raise up and down, unlockable. They don't go back and forth. There is a knob underneath here where you could actually extend these arms in and out if you would prefer. I just have them in the closest position possible. Again, if I'm holding a controller or if I'm on mouse and keyboard, it gives me multiple ways to be discomforted. I don't know if that's the best way to put it, but it's functional. It's functional. The chair itself does lower and raise. That's really about it. The feature that I mentioned before to lock the back does not function. I believe it's replaceable. I did not really look into that as it wasn't the most paramount thing for me with my chair. The noise itself is probably the worst part. This particular chair is rated for up to 400 pounds. It is considered a big and tall chair. I have lost a little bit of weight since my last few videos, which is great, feeling a little bit healthier. And I'm still in the 250 category though, let's not get carried away, but it's a whole lot better than, 275 or 280. And just kind of happy about that, to be honest with you. The chair itself came with original plastic wheels. I have upgraded these to the Lifelong rollerblade wheels. They're clear, they roll really nice. This is on carpet. On tile though, man, this thing can really move. Sometimes you have to kind of brace yourself before you sit down in it, to be honest. It's been functional and I'm happy with it for the most part. The modifications I've made to this chair are the armrests. These are Velcro on memory foam from Western Comfort. There's another version of this style armrest as opposed to the Velcro straps that are custom fit. There's actually a sleeve that would go over a different style armrest. I found the Velcro work better for this. I'm not sure if Western Comfort offers both. I do know that the sleeve style version I have for my other chairs or my future chairs is made by Aludi. I'll put the link down below so that you can access it for all these upgraded items. The most important item that I purchased to upgrade this particular chair is the cushion itself. I'm going to take a moment here and just show you that I have it much higher than you would normally have a chair. This is from Cushion Lab. They are a ergonomic chiropractor approved seat cushion. This is a memory foam, quite dense, quite thick. I've been on it now for a solid 6-8 months and it's really holding up quite well. It came with I bundled the package. This is a lumbar support that just straps to the back. You can use it right side up, upside down, whatever position really meets your needs for ergonomic support. There is no headrest on this chair, and I find that when I use it in the upside down position, it does quite well contouring where I need it to contour. This particular setup that I purchased comes with a small memory foam footrest as well that sits down on the floor. It's perfect for the raised height. It's about 2 inches, if that, higher on average, and the raised height with the footrest is really perfect. It allows me to keep my hips above my knees and providing enough comfort and stabilization where I can sit properly in front of the computer as well as in front of my PlayStation 5. I don't like the fact that I cannot control the recline function, as when you're in recline it kind of wants to pop back up all the time. Not the best situation, but it's been doing really well for me. I'm quite pleased with this chair's performance, longevity. It's from 2018 and the modifications I made are about 6 months old, and it's a very comfortable situation. I don't quite sit forward in it. I can if I like, and I don't get any shoulder pain, I don't get any neck pain. It does quite well in front of the PC and in front of my PlayStation 5, or even if I'm watching TV, I can kick back. I have a little table sometimes I'll throw my feet up on to chill, but it just wants to come forward all the time because I cannot lock it in place. That being said, there is a replacement for this chair. I'm going to put together a video for the Odin Lake Ergo Pro 743. Comes with a footrest. It was a $1,000 chair that's on sale right now for $699. If you go on eBay, there's even some new inventory for around 500 bucks. I'm really hoping it's the right kind of chair for me. And please hit that like button if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe and check out some of my other videos with my gaming content. I do appreciate your time. Thanks for checking in. It's Luke Brutal with another chair review, and I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Have a great day.